First, type Task Manager in the search bar and open the Task Manager. Right-click and end the unnecessary tasks. This will free up your CPU and the memory. Next, type Defragment in the search bar and open up the Defragment and Optimize drives. Then click on Analyze. Analyzing process might take a while, so you can minimize your window until it's done. After done analyzing, you can optimize all the drives. Then type Run in the search bar and open it. Type %, temp%, and click OK. Select and delete all the temp files. Some files may not delete. Skip them. Open Run once more. This time type temp and click OK. Select all of them and delete. Make sure to delete all temp files from the recycle bin that you already deleted. Type Graphics in the Windows search bar and open up the graphics settings. Click on the apps that running on high performance and click Options and select Power Saving. This option will put lower pressure to GPU, so it will improve your PC performance. After that, right-click on the desktop and click Refresh. After completing all the steps, make sure to restart your system.